you have been planning to start a YouTube channel, this video is for you, because in this video I am going to show you how to start a YouTube channel in 2026 the right way. Most beginners make the mistake of starting YouTube channel and then stuck at 0 views because they did not start the right way. Starting a YouTube channel can be very confusing. The thought of how to start your channel, what to post on your channel, the thought of are you going to grow or not. But if you start the right way, you are going to grow even faster than you. Let me break it down step by step for you, how to start the right way and grow faster than you think. Number one is that you want to know your why. Know your why of starting a YouTube channel. Do you want to start because of money, or you just want to start because people are doing YouTube? So you have to know your why, because when you will start a YouTube channel, you will first of all get low views. But your why is what will keep you going even when you are getting low views. So know your why. Do you want to get monetized, or do you want to do it because other people are doing it? Number two is that you want to pick a niche. So a niche is what you want your channel to be known for, and also determine if you are going to do a face channel or a faceless channel. A face channel is what I am doing right here, that you'll be showing your face. A faceless channel is that you are not going to show your face, but you are still going to be uploading in it. So, and also to pick your niche is that you want to determine if you want to be doing cooking niche, or you want to be doing lifestyle, or you want to be doing YouTube growth like the one I'm doing right here, or you want to be doing health or finance, or any niche that you want to pick. Just pick one niche and stay on the niche. Don't confuse the algorithm, because once you stay on the niche, the algorithm will understand what your channel is for and will be able to push your video to the right audience. So after picking a niche, the next thing is that you create your YouTube channel. To create your YouTube channel, you need a Gmail. So when you create your YouTube channel, you set up your YouTube channel, your YouTube name, your YouTube description, the pictures. So number three, after you have already created your YouTube channel, before you start posting, you want to study successful channels. You want to study some successful channels that are doing well in your niche. Let's say that you pick an AI niche. You want to look for like 3 or 4 or 5 channels that are doing very well in that niche. And you can apply this to any niche that you. Number 4 is that you want to plan your content. You don't just wake up and be thinking of what should I post today. You want to plan your YouTube videos. You want to have a content calendar, and you want to plan how you are going to make your videos. And another thing is that you want to batch create your content to make it easy for you and to also make you consistent. You can pick a day in the week to create your videos, and then maybe you pick a day and create like 5 videos if you can, and pick a day to also edit the video. This will make it easy for you, and it will also make you consistent, and it will also make you grow faster. So if you don't plan ahead, you will fail. So you have to plan. You have to plan if you want to do a YouTube. Don't just wake up and be thinking of what to post. Number 5 is that you want to post consistently and give yourself a target. Because if you want to grow on YouTube love people that are consistent, channels that are consistent. They love it. And if you are just starting, you want to be consistent. You don't want to post today and then disappear for another 2. And also, when you are starting out, you want to give yourself a target. Like say maybe you want to post consistently for 3 months. That is 90 days. You pick how many days of the week, how many times in a week that you want to post. Maybe it's 2 times in a week, maybe 3 times in a week, or even if you can do it, you can be posting videos every day. If you post videos every day for 3 months, that is 90 videos that you will have in your channel, and by that time you must have been monetized. You must have been, because your channel will have gained traction. So and if you cannot do posting every day, 2 times in a week is okay, 3 times in a week is okay. I am not also posting every day for now. I am posting like 2 to 3 times in a week, and that is fine. The more you do it, the more you get better at. Number 6 is that you want to focus on giving values in your video. Don't just wake up every day and just make a video. Make your video to be very valuable. Valuable video will solve a problem, will teach something, or will inspire. So every video you are going to be posting should be valuable. It should be something that is solving people's problem. The more valuable your videos are, the more people come to your channel to watch your video, and the more you gain tractions. People are always on YouTube to solve one particular problem. So be that channel that they will always search for to solve their problem. Number 7 is that you want to learn how to edit video, those basic video editing. You can check my channel. I made a video on how to edit a video as a beginner. So you can check it. You want to learn how to edit video, some basic editing tips. You want to learn it. You must not be a pro in video editing, but your video must look clear. All those unwanted parts, you have to cut it out so that your video will not be boring. And also, you want to make your video to be engaging. All those color grading, how to add sound, how to add overlay, how to add effects. You want to use it in your video in order for people to watch for more time, because the more your videos are engaged, the more people watch, and the more watch hour you will get. Number 8 is that you want to work on your titles and your thumbnail. This is what will determine if people will click your video and watch or not. If your title does not carry any curiosity elements, and your thumbnail is not carrying anything, it is not attractive, people will not click your video to watch. So every title of your video must be promising. It must be promising people something, like it must be solving people's problem. Like you can say, how to start a YouTube channel in 2026 as a beginner, just like the title of this video. So every of your videos must be solving people's problem, and your thumbnail must look simple and catchy to make people click your video. Number 9 is that you want to optimize for SEO search. Your videos must have tags. It must have keywords that people are always searching for. Your videos, your titles, your descriptions, your tags must be optimized. It must have keywords that people are looking for, like how to get 4,000 watch hours. In that video, you must talk more about 4,000 watch hours. Your title must have 4,000 watch hour. Your description, everything must be screaming 4,000 watch hour. That is how to optimize for search. So all your videos, make sure that they are well optimized for search, in order for people to find your video, and in order for YouTube algorithm to recommend your video to more people. Number 10, which is the last one, is that you have to be patient and you have to track your progress. YouTube growth is not magic. You have to be patient with growth, and patience means that you want to be consistent even when you are getting low views. So YouTube growth is not magic, but with the right setup, with the right optimization, and with posting consistently, doing the right thing at the right time, I'm very sure that you will grow. And you don't have to have everything perfect before you start a YouTube channel. You don't have to. You can start. In fact, start now and you will learn as you grow. When I started my YouTube channel, I was not talking like this. If you see my first YouTube video, you will laugh because it was not even good like this. But as you are growing, as you are consistent, as you are posting consistently, you will learn. You will learn how to be confident on camera. You will learn how to talk. You will learn how to talk more for longer time. You will learn a lot of things. Even if you are not getting the results that you want now, it is still building you for something. It is still preparing you for something, and you will be very glad that you start. So you don't have to wait for everything to be perfect. Also track your progress in the sense that you want to always check your analytics. You want to know what people are watching, what people are not watching. In analytics is what you will give you all these ones. So you want to always check your progress. Know the videos that get you more views than the one that did not get you any view. So the one that gets you more views, you want to double down on it. You want to post more video like that. That is how to grow fast on YouTube. So I hope this video is helpful. Please like this video, comment, and subscribe to this channel. In this channel, I help small YouTubers like me to grow, to learn, and to grow fast on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.